Welcome to Perfect Airtech, manufacturer and supplier of air conditioners and conditioning systems. The company was incepted in the year 1999. Stringent quality inspections and transparent business dealings helps us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. PTC News and DPS International are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by in-depth industry knowledge and cost-effective pricing policy. We offer a huge gamut of air conditioners, duct system, and window air conditioner for home. Our air conditioners, chiller plant, and aluminum ducts are best in the industry amongst others. Cassette split and mount panel air conditioners are superior in performance. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing duct system and window air conditioner for homes that are extremely reliable. Our air conditioning systems and maintenance services are a class apart. Carrier air conditioner for hotel and split air conditioner for offices are well known for their outstanding performance. To know more about us, please visit our website www.perfectairtech.com.